Understanding hedge as a fence in English. Hello and welcome to today's English language learning session. In this video, we'll be diving into the intriguing phrase, hedge as a fence, uncovering its meaning, usage, and the context in which it thrives. Whether you're a language enthusiast or someone aiming to polish your English skills, this video is crafted to shed light on this distinctive phrase. So, let's get started and unravel the layers of hedge as a fence. Firstly, it's crucial to understand the literal meanings of hedge and fence. A hedge is a line of closely planted shrubs or bushes, often used to mark the boundary of an area, like a garden. On the other hand, a fence is a structure, usually made of wood, metal, or wire, erected to enclose or separate an area. Both serve similar purposes, providing privacy, marking boundaries, and ensuring security. The literal meanings of these words lay the foundation for understanding the metaphorical usage we'll explore next. In a metaphorical sense, to hedge as a fence means to use cautious language or actions to protect oneself from criticism, risk, or any undesirable outcome. This phrase encapsulates the idea of creating a safety barrier around one's statements or decisions. Much like a physical hedge or fence protects and defines the boundaries of a property, using cautious language establishes a protective boundary around one's intentions or claims. Let's delve into some examples to see how hedge as a fence is used in everyday language. 1. In a business meeting, a manager might say, "I think the project will be completed by June," given that there are no unforeseen delays. Here, the phrase in bold is hedging, acting as a fence to protect the manager from blame in case the project gets delayed. 2. In academic writing, researchers often use hedging language to avoid overgeneralization, like saying, "The results suggest that," instead of, "The results prove that." Here, suggest acts as a hedge, acknowledging that while the evidence points in a certain direction, it's not absolute proof. Understanding and using hedge as a fence is crucial in effective communication. It allows speakers and writers to express uncertainty without undermining their overall argument, avoid absolute statements that might be disproved, protect themselves from potential criticism or negative consequences, build trust by acknowledging the complexity of real-life situations and the limitations of their knowledge or data. Today, we explored the fascinating phrase, hedge as a fence, moving from its literal meanings to its metaphorical application in everyday language. As we've seen, hedging is a valuable tool in communication, allowing us to express ideas cautiously and protectively. Remember, a well-placed hedge can make your language not only safer but also more nuanced and credible. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this video has enhanced your understanding and usage of hedge as a fence in English. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.